What is an auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verbs are so called because they help to form the various tenses, moods, and voices of other verbs. They are also known as a helping verb. Am. I am going to the beach today. I am going to the beach today. I am thinking of buying a new car. I am thinking of buying a new car. Were. Her sunglasses were perched on her head. Her sunglasses were perched on her head. All the staff were wonderfully helpful. All the staff were wonderfully helpful. Has. He has excellent taste in music. He has excellent taste in music. She has been here about an hour. She has been here about an hour. Shall. Shall we go to the restaurant now? Shall we go to the restaurant now? What shall I make? What shall I make? May. May I sit with you? May I sit with you? It may take a few minutes to find your details. It may take a few minutes to find your details. Could. Could you come and see me tomorrow? Could you come and see me tomorrow? I never thought I could do it. I never thought I could do it. Is. What time is it? What time is it? They say she is amazingly beautiful. They say she is amazingly beautiful. Being. The house is being built at the moment. The house is being built at the moment. He is being nice to me. He is being nice to me. Have. What have you come for? What have you come for? I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. Will. When will lunch be ready? When will lunch be ready? The chicken will be ready in about 15 minutes. The chicken will be ready in about 15 minutes. Might. Might. The chicken might need some salt and pepper. The chicken might need some salt and pepper. I might go along to the party later. I might go along to the party later. Does. Does. What does he do for a job? What does he do for a job? Money does not grow on trees. Money does not grow on trees. Are. Are. Where are you going? Where are you going? What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? Been. Been. He's been working hard all day. He's been working hard all day. I have not been sick at all. I have not been sick at all. Had. Had. The bread and the biscuits had gone stale. The bread and the biscuits had gone stale. Several of the books had fallen off the shelf. Several of the books had fallen off the shelf. Should. Should. I should have been with them tonight. I should have been with them tonight. Maybe we should go home. Maybe we should go home. Must. Must. We must not be late for the party. We must not be late for the party. He must have changed clothes during the night. He must have changed clothes during the night. Do. Do. I never thought I could do it. I never thought I could do it. Do you like fish and chips? Do you like fish and chips? Was. Was. The weather was beautiful yesterday. The weather was beautiful yesterday. He was elected president. He was elected president. Be. Be. How long will you be with us? How long will you be with us? You must be exhausted. You must be exhausted. Did. Did. How did you get here so quickly? How did you get here so quickly? Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Would. Would. Would you like to read your speech? Would you like to read your speech? What would you like to do for your birthday? What would you like to do for your birthday? Can. Can. Can I go to the toilet, please? Can I go to the toilet, please? You can learn many things from books. You can learn many things from books. What is a dynamic verb? A dynamic verb is a verb that shows continued or progressive action on the part of the subject. This is the opposite of a stative verb. Walk. Walk. What distance do you have to walk to school? What distance do you have to walk to school? Learn. Learn. You are never too old to learn. You are never too old to learn. Eat. Eat. Can I eat this cake? Can I eat this cake? Grow. Grow. The plants grow wild along the banks of rivers. The plants grow wild along the banks of rivers. Write. Write. Please write in ink, not in pencil. Please write in ink, not in pencil. Become. Become. He wants to become a professional cook. He wants to become a professional cook. Go. Go. Love makes the world go round. Love makes the world go round. Sleep. Sleep. I couldn't get to sleep last night. I couldn't get to sleep last night. Talk, talk. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Run, run. His first instinct was to run away from danger. His first instinct was to run away from danger.